Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Maribel and welcome to Rosekiss Beauty. Today I'm going to talk about how to apply Lipsense. If you're new to Lipsense, there's a starter kit that comes with it. You get a color, a glossy gloss, and a oops remover. Let's talk about what Lipsense is all about. First, Lipsense is a premier product of SeneGence. It has a long-lasting color, which is very different from other conventional lipstick, color stain, or lip color out there in the market because it's smudge-proof, kiss-proof, water-resistant, and it's also lead-free and wax-free. It would also stay on 4 to 18 hours on your lips depending on your pH level. And then now we're gonna talk about how to apply Lipsense. So, before I apply the Lipsense, let me show you guys some tips and tricks because it's going to be hard for me to talk while I have the Lipsense on. So first, you're going to grab a hand towel, wet it a little bit with water, and then you're going to clean your lips. You got to start with clean and dry lips when applying Lipsense. It will help to get rid of any dry skin on your lips and get rid of any food that you came in contact with. And then another tip is you have to keep your lips parted, and also don't forget your corners, which is right here, and also your waterline, which is the inside of your lips. And then another tip that I have is you would only go one direction, one sweeping motion in one direction, cannot go back and forth, okay? And we're gonna apply 3 thin layers and we're gonna let it dry in between. Remember, 3 thin layers. I know it sounds like a lot, but once you get the hang of Lipsense, it's a lifesaver. You don't have to keep reapplying throughout the day. So I'd rather apply 3 thin layers in the morning and forget about it. Also, another tip that I have for you is when you apply Lipsense for the very first time, you would feel a little bit of tingling sensation, but it will subside once you apply the glossy gloss. Okay, so let's get right to it. First, you're gonna shake the bottle, shake, 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 and there's a little ball in there that mix the pigments in. So make sure you shake it vigorously, okay? And after that, we're gonna open it just like so. And the color for today is Kiss for a Cause. And you're gonna apply very thin layers, take off any excess. There you have it. This is how you apply Lipsense, Kiss for a Cause with the glossy gloss. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, I'm on Instagram. Follow me at Rosekiss Beauty. And also have a website, www.senegence.com/Rosekissbeauty. Thanks for tuning in and see you guys next time.